Hello friends, this is yet another tutorial in the series of DHTML. This tutorial is about introducing yourselves to the numbers and DHTML. Here our aim is to take the input from the user and check against inbuilt function of DHTML to see whether the input is a number or not. If the input is not a number, we show an error message to the user. So let's get started. First, this is our HTML file. We are using JavaScript as our scripting language. JavaScript is a client-side language. We are prompting the user to input his age. For this, we are using prompt. The message is enter your age. Now we are checking whether the input is not a number. This is an inbuilt function. Age. If it is not a number, then show an alert message. Age should be numeric. Else alert message, your age is, then we use concatenation operator. The operation is called concatenating the string, then and the script. And the head tag, clean up the body, and HTML tag. So save the file. Then we need to preview it in a browser. So this is the file. It prompts to enter the age. Let's write some random stuff. So it is showing an error message. Now input some valid data. Then you need to reload the page. Right, age is 25. So it is showing that our age is 25, which is a number. So this was a pretty basic tutorial on numbers in DHTML. Thank you.